In the last video, we recapitulated those actions took part in this very scene, Act 1, Scene 2, and today we are going to start from that very part where we concluded. As we know, this scene does have a great dramatic importance as many main plot actions will take place. Further, we are going to have the revelation or those unfolding of the past, of the glorious past of Prospero and this Miranda, who is totally unaware of her past, is feeling very surprised as he comes to know about those realities one after another. So, in this particular scene, we will go through the paraphrasing and annotation. So, here we go, here starts this very scene. Alack, for pity. Alas, so sad. Which was so sad? Their departure from Milan. The day, the night they left Milan, that was really very sad. Miranda did not know so many things. She was too young that time. Now she is listening to all these events and feeling depressed and extremely sad. I not remembering how I cried out then. She can't remember. How did she cry? How did she cry? Then means that very night. We'll cry it over again. And he is going to cry, she is going to cry again. It is a hint that rings mine eyes taut. It is a hint means it is a story. It is an event that rings mine eyes taut. That means that rings tears from my eyes. So it is a story that brings tears in her eyes. Prospero. Here a little further. Then I'll bring you to the present business which now's upon, without the which this story were most impertinent. Here a little further means listen little more. And then I'll bring you to the present business which now's upon. That means I'll bring you means I'll tell you the present business means the present situation or the current situation which is now upon, which is also the present condition. Now he will tell everything. After that he will tell everything which will bring Miranda to understand about, will allow Miranda to understand about the present situation. Without the which this story were most impertinent. So it is necessary. So it is necessary for Prospero to tell Miranda everything. Else the story will become reasonless. Impertinent means a valueless one. So Prospero needs to tell everything, discuss everything with Miranda so that she understands everything properly. Else the story will become a valueless one. Miranda. Wherefore did they not that hour destroy us? That means they stands for the enemies. Destroy us, that time, that hour means that very time. Destroy us means killed us. Why did not they kill us? When they pushed us away from Milan, This is a very simple question. Why were they left? They could be killed also. Prospero, well demanded wench. Well demanded wench. Well demanded means well asked question. Wench stands for dear daughter. Actually, last year we read wench means fellow, but here we will write dear daughter. Mitel provokes that question. Obviously, the story, the tale that is told by Prospero raises that very question. Dear, they durst not. Dear, they durst not. That means they did not dare. They did not dare to do that. So dear the love my people bore me. My people stands for people of Milan. Bore me means had for Prospero. Yes, they could not kill him. Since he was so much loved in Milan, nor set a mark so bloody on the business. So, not set a mark so blood. So they could not make the event. Since the people of Milan loved Prospero so much, Antonio could not make a mark of blood on this very event. On the business means this event of banishing Prospero. So the love that prevented Antonio from killing them. With colors fairer painted their fowls and so with colors fairer, that means with good appearance, painted their foul ends means covered. Their foul end stands for evil act. In a few, they wearied us aboard a bark, bore us some leagues to sea. They hurried us abroad a bark. I mean, a small boat. Your back stands for boat. Hurried us means kept us. And bore us means took us to the league of sea, to some leagues, in some distance, in the middle of the sea, where they prepared a rotten carcass of a butt. What they arranged there? They did not arrange a good means of ship. So what they have done? They had prepared a rotten shell of a boat that had no ropes, no equipment, no sails. So they prepared a rotten carcass of a butt. Carcass means we know the skeleton. So rotten and spoiled, sail, not rigid, not tackle, sail, nor mast. So not at all strong, not rigid, not tackle. There was no rope, no sail at all. It was a tormented, tortured sail, and there was no mast in that very boat. There they hoist us. Hoisted stands for kept us in. They kept us in. To cry to the sea that rode to us,
They were crying at the sea, and that sea was roaring at us, them, about to destroy us, mean Miranda and Prospero. And they were crying at the sea. They were crying at seeing the sea, to shy to the wind, and they are shying at the wind, whose pity sighing back again, whose been the atmosphere. Sighing back again, was piteous towards, was piteous, was kind towards, was kind, the atmosphere was kind towards Prospero and Miranda. The atmosphere did not kill them, did us but loving wrong. That means only made us feel uncomfortable and nothing else. That did not kill us.